In the menu on the left, select the Housekeeping module. At the top, you can use such filters as room, room type, housekeeping status, priority, and flow. To change the cleaning status, click on the cleaning status and select the actual status in front of the room. To set the status to close a room for sale due to renovation, opposite the room, change the cleaning status of the room to out of service. In the opened window, check the information. If necessary, you can change the period and add a comment. Click on the Save button.